Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily display your name on your iPhone lock screen in case it gets lost. So people will be able to, I guess, tell whose phone it is. Well, they can at least know their name. So go to the focus mode here, and then go to the plus button, select custom, name it your name. I'm just going to name it Taylor. So I'm not Taylor Swift, but you can also select an icon to put next to your name. I'll just put the guitar one, and you can also select the color. Then you're going to select next. Then you're going to press just the X screen, and then wait, where did it go? Sorry, I think I forgot to save it. I forgot to save it, guys. I'm sorry. Customize focus. Okay, you do have to do that, and then go back to focus, go up here and enable focus here. And then when you go to your lock screen, hopefully it's going to be there. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.